Hi everybody. I am making carrots, peppers, and onions. Instead of using anything meat, this is strictly all vegan. A little bit of olive oil. First I sauteed the onions and the peppers. I broiled the carrots to get them soft, and then I put them in the pan with the onions and peppers to fry them up and get them nice and crisp. I will show you as soon as they are done. All finished. It's what's for lunch tomorrow and dinner. I'm going to put these on a hot dog bun with the peppers and the onions. Delicious and so very healthy. Please like and follow for more. Thank you.